all to Think Maths. We are in class 10 Maths, chapter 5, Arithmetic Progressions. In this session, we are going to discuss about exercise 5.2, questions 13 to 20. Okay, so first one, 13th question. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? So we have to form an AP with this condition. So we have to start with a 3-digit number. So the first 3-digit number is 100. So 100 is not divisible by 7. So if you check randomly 101, 102, we can find 105 is divisible by 7. So first number is 105. So adding with 7, this next number is 112, 119, and the last number, last 3-digit number is 999. So 999 is not divisible by 7. So before that, if you check randomly, 994. This number is divisible by 7. So we have to check randomly whether 999 is divisible by 7 or 998 is divisible by 7. If we check randomly, we find that 994 is divisible by 7. So this is an AP with the common difference 7. So we can write A is equal to 105 and D is equal to 7. What is the question? How many 3-digit numbers? How many means we have to find the value of n. So how many numbers are there in between this? Okay. So we know that an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So what is an? We know this is finite AP. So this can be written as L. That is last term equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So what is the last term? 994. So what is the first term? 105 plus we don't know n minus 1. D is 7. So 105 plus n into 7. This 7n. Minus 1 into 7 is minus 7. So 105 minus 7 is 98. So 98 plus 7n equal to, on the other side we have 994. So keeping 7n here, on the other side we have 994. This plus 98 will become minus 98 when we change the sign. So 994 minus 98. So 994 minus 98. So we have to subtract. So 4 minus 8 is not possible. So I take from this one number. So this will become 14. So 14 minus 8 is 6. 8 minus 9 is also not possible. So this will become 8 and this will become 18. So 18 minus 9 is 9 and this 8. 896. So we can write 7n equal to 896. Then n will be equal to 896 divided by 7. So if we divide 896 by 7, so 8 1 7s are 7. 8 minus 7, it is 1. 19. So 2 7s are 14. 9 minus 4 is 5. 1 minus 1, 0. So we have to bring this down. It is 6. So 8 7s are 56. So 0. So we get 128. So number of 3-digit numbers divisible by 7 is 128. Okay, I hope you can understand this. So let me go to the next problem. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? So the number is between 10 and 250. So after 10 is not divisible by 4. So after 10, the first number divisible by 4 is 12. So 12 plus 4, 16. So is 250 divisible by 4? No. So before number is 248. Okay. So you have to just check 249, 248. So if we check 248 is divisible by 4. So here A is equal to 12. D is equal to 16 minus 12, which is the multiple of 4. And last number is 248. Here also we have to find n. how many multiples. So we have to find n. So L is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. What is L? It is 248. A is 12 plus we don't know n. What is D? It is 4. So 12 plus n into 4, 4n minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. What is 12 minus 4? 12 minus 4 is 8. So 8 plus 4n. So keeping the 4n here, on the other side I have 248. This plus 8 will become minus 8. So 248 minus 8 is 240 equal to 4n. So this can also be written as 4n equal to 240. Both are same. So n will be equal to 240 divided by 4. So it is equal to 60. So number of multiples of 4 that lie between 10 and 250 equal to 60. So this is the answer. Okay. Next one. For what value of n are the nth terms of two APs 63, 65, 67 and 3, 10, 17 equal? So there are two APs. At some point the value is same for both the APs. So we have to find at which place, that is for what value of n. So AP1. So AP1 is 63, 65, 67. So for this first term is 63. D is nothing but 65 minus 63, which is 2. Okay, so for AP2 is 3, 10, 70. So here A is equal to 3 and D is equal to 10 minus 3, which is 7. So what is the general formula? AN equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So this AN is equal for some n. Okay, so AN is equal for some n. So we have to find that n for which an is equal. So for this an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So what is a? It is 63 plus n minus 1 into 2. So this means 63 plus 2n minus 2. So what is 63 minus 2? It is 61 plus 2n. Okay. So this is one equation. For this, an equal to a plus. So a is 3 plus n minus 1 into d. So what is d? It is 7. So 3 plus n into 7, 7n minus 1 into 7 is minus 7. So 7n, 3 minus 7 is minus 4 because negative is for bigger number. So if you subtract, you will get 4 and you have to write the sign of the bigger number. So they have given that an is equal. So 1 will be equal to 2. So that means 61 plus 2n is equal to 7n minus 4. Okay. So I am collecting the n term here. N term is 2n. This plus n, 7n will become minus 7n. Here we have minus 4 plus 64 will become minus 61. This is 61. So 2n minus 7n. So negative is for bigger number. We will get the answer in negative. 2 and 7 difference is 5. So minus 5n equal to, if both are negative, put the negative sign and add the numbers. So 61 plus 4 is 65. So n is equal to minus 65 divided by this minus 5 is in product. So it will become division on the other side. So both the negatives gets cancelled. So it will be 65 by 5, which means 1. Balance is 1. So 3 5s are 50. So n is equal to 13. So this means 13th term is equal for both APs. Okay. So for both AP, 13th term will be same. Okay, understood? Next, 16th problem. Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and the seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. So, to find AP, we need first term and the common difference. That is, we need A and D. So, we have to find out A and D using the hints given. What is given? Third term. So, A3 is equal to 16. So what is the general formula? An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So they gave a3 is equal to 16. So I am going to put here n is equal to 3. So a3 will be equal to a plus 3 minus 1 into d. So what is a3? It is nothing but 16. So 16, here also 16 I am, no, that 3 I am correct. So 16 equal to a plus 3 minus 1 is 2. So a plus 2d. So this is one equation. What is the next condition? And the seventh term, that is seventh term, a7 exceeds the fifth term, that is a5 by 12. Exceeds means more than. So a7 is 12 more than 5. That is a5 plus 12. So if you put n is equal to 7, we get a7 equal to a plus 6 minus 1, 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1 into d. So a7 will be equal to a plus 6d. So if we put n is equal to 5, a5 will be equal to a plus 5 minus 1 into d. So this means a5 equal to a plus 4d. So this is small a and this is small b. I am going to substitute a and b in this second equation. So instead of a7, I can put a plus 6d equal to, instead of a5, a plus 4d. The remaining is plus 12, plus 12. So bringing everything to one side, here a plus 6d, this plus a will become minus a, plus 4d will become minus 4d. I am keeping this 12 here. So both a's gets cancelled. So 6d minus 4d is 2d. So 2d is equal to 12. This means d is equal to 12 divided by 2, which is equal to 6. So if you put d is equal to 6 in first equation, what is the first equation? A plus 2d. So 2 into 6 equal to 16. So a plus 2 into 6 is 12 equal to 16. So a will be equal to 16 plus 12 will become minus 12. So 16 minus 12 is 4. So we got a is equal to 4 and d is equal to 6. So these are the values we get. So AP can be framed. So a is equal to 4. So the first term is 4. The common difference d is equal to 6. We have to add 6 before the previous term. So 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 16 plus 6, 22. So this is the arithmetic progression we need. Okay, understood? Next one, find the 20th term from the last term of the AP. So just listen carefully. From the last term, they are asking 20th term. What is the AP? AP is 3, 8, 13 up to 253. Okay. So here for this AP, A is equal to 3 and D is equal to 8 minus 3, which is 5. So if the question is from the last term, you can reverse the AP and find out directly. So I am reversing AP. So if I reverse AP, last term will become first term, 253. So for this AP, D will be negative 5. Okay. So we have to just multiply with negative. So if it is negative 5, this will be positive 5. So if you reverse the AP, D will be multiplied by negative. So 253 minus 5 is 248. So up to 13, 8, 3. Just I have written in reverse order. So this is the AP. So for this AP, A is equal to 253 and D is equal to -1. So 20th term from the last term. So we can count from this. So this is the last term, but I reversed it. So as it is the first term, from this first term, it is 20th term. That is nothing but we need to find A20. Okay. So if you reverse the AP, you can find it directly. If you use this AP, you have to find first N, then if n is equal to 15, 20th term from the last term. No, 20th term means if n is equal to 26, so you have to 26 minus 20 plus 1. Okay, so that is the answer. Okay. So now A20 will be equal to, what is A20? A plus 20 minus 1 into D. So what is A? 253 plus 20 minus 1 is 19. D is minus 5. So 253 plus into minus is minus. 19 into 5, 9 5 is a 45, balance 4, it is 95. So what is 253 minus 95? Shall we subtract 253 and 95? So 3 minus 5 is not possible. So I am taking from this tens place. So this will become 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. 4 minus 9 is also not possible. I am taking from this. So 14 minus 9, which is 5. 1 minus 0, 1. So answer is 158. So if they are asking a term from the last term, it is easy to find by reversing the AP. You have to reverse the AP and multiply the D with negative. Okay. So then you can find directly A20. If you don't reverse the AP from the given AP, you have to find what is N, because this is finite AP. So using the formula L is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, we have to find N. If suppose N is equal to 26, then the required value is 26 minus 20 plus 1. That is 6 plus 1. So 7th term. So from the last 20th term is 7th term. Okay. So for 7th term, you have to find out the answer. Okay. I hope you can understand this problem. So let me go to the next problem. The sum of the 4th and 8th terms of an AP is 24. And the sum of the 6th and 10th terms is 44. Find the first 3 terms of the AP. So what is given? Sum of the 4th term and 8th term is 24. Another one is sum of the 6th term and 10th term is 44. So general formula An equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So in this, if you put A4 equal to A plus 4 minus 1 into D, which means A plus 3D. If you put A8, it is A plus 8 minus 1 into D, it is A plus 7D. If you put A6, A plus 6 minus 1 into D, we get A plus 5D. A10 is equal to A plus 10 minus 1 into D, we get A plus 9D. So we can use all these values in both the equations. So what will happen to 1? Instead of A4, it is A plus 3D. So A plus 3D, instead of A8, we put A plus 7D, which is equal to 24. So A plus A is 2A plus 3D plus 7D is 10D equal to 24. Okay. So this is the third equation. What happens to 2? Instead of A6, we can put A plus 5D. So A plus 5D. Instead of A10, we can put A plus 9D. So A plus 9D equal to 44. So a plus a, it is 2a plus 5d plus 9d is 14d equal to 44. So this is the fourth equation. We have to find three terms of AP. So we need a and d. So solve this equation, that is 3 minus 4. So because coefficient of a is same, if you subtract, a will be cancelled. So third equation is 2a plus 10d is equal to 24. Fourth equation is 2a plus 14d is equal to 44. So on subtracting, all the signs will be changed. So 2a minus 2a gets cancelled. 10 minus 14 is minus 4d. 24 minus 44 is negative 20. So both the negatives gets cancelled. So d will be equal to 20 divided by 4, which is 5. So we can substitute d is equal to 5 in equation 3. So it is 2a plus 10 into 5 equal to 24. So 2a plus 10 into 5 is 50 equal to 24. So 2a will be equal to 24 minus 50. So the negative is for bigger number. So minus 26. Then a will be equal to minus 26 divided by 2. So it will be minus 13. So we got a is equal to minus 13 and d is equal to 5. So the required AP is, first term is minus 13. So if you add minus 13 plus 5, this minus 8. Minus 8 plus 5 is minus 3. So these are the first three terms. Okay. I hope you can understand this problem. So I move on to the next one. Subbarao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did his income reach 7,000? So, what is given? So, it is salary. So, salary for year 1995. It is 5,000. So the salary for the year 1996, it will be 5,000 plus 200. So they are giving increment for each year. So it will be 5,200. So in the year 1997, the salary will be previous year salary plus 200. So it goes on like this. So we get an AP, arithmetic progression. First salary is 5,000. In the next year, the salary will be 5,200, 5,400. So it is increasing by 200. So we get the common difference. So it is an AP. So here A is equal to 5,000 and D is equal to 200. So what is the question? In which year did his income reach 7,000? For some year, AN, the answer is 7,000. For this, we have to find the value of n. Which year? So, for which n? AN equal to 7,000. So, what is the general formula for AN? Is A plus n minus 1 into D. So, AN is given as 7,000. A is 5,000 plus n minus 1 into 200. So 5,000 plus n into 200, 200 n minus 1 into 200 minus 200. So I am keeping the 200 n on this side. On the other side we have 7,000. This plus 5,000 will become minus 5,000. This minus 200 will become plus 200. So 7,000 minus 5,000 is 2,000. This plus 200 equal to 200 n. So if you add this, we get 2,200 equal to 200 n. We can write this as 200 n is equal to 2,200. So n will be equal to 2,200 divided by 200. So this means n is equal to 11. So in the 11th year, he is getting rupees 7,000. So 11th year salary is rupees 7,000. So 11th year means which year? The year is for the year AP is 1995, 1996, etc. So here A will be 1995 and D will be 1996 minus 1995, which is 1. Okay. So we have to find T11. That is, what is the year in 11th place? So T11 equal to A plus. So 1995 plus n minus 1. So 11 minus 1 into D. What is D? This one. So 1995 plus 11 minus 1 is 10. 10 into 1, 10. So 1995 plus 10. So what is the year? I think it is 2005. So in the year 2005, he receives 7,000 rupees. So 2005, in the year 2005, he is getting the salary of rupees 7,000. Okay, understood? Last problem. Ramkali saved rupees 5 in the first week of a year and then increased her weekly savings by rupees 1.75. If in the nth week her weekly savings become 20.75, find n. So what is given? Here Ramkali saved rupees 5 in the first week. So here A is equal to 5. He is increasing her weekly savings by 1.75. That is, he is adding 1.75 to previous term. That means D is equal to 1.75. Nth week. If in the nth week, her weekly savings become 20.75, we have to find n. So for an equal to 20.75, what is the value of n? Okay. So we know an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is 20.75 and a is 5 plus n minus 1 into d is 1.75. So 5 plus multiplying with n, we get 1.75 n minus 1 into, so it will get negative 1.75. So keeping this 1.75 here, I am taking everything to left hand side. 1.75 n. What is remaining? On the other side, I have 2.75. So this minus 1.75 will become plus 1.75 and this plus 5 will become minus 5, which is equal to 1.75. So 20.75, I am adding 1.75. So 5 plus 5 is 10, balance 1, 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 1, 15. Balance 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 22. So and we have to subtract 5. So 5.00, we have to subtract. So 0 minus 0 is 0, 5 minus 0, 5. 2 minus 5 is not possible. So 12 minus 5, it is 7, bringing this 1 here. So this side we have 17.50 equal to 1.75 n. So I can write this as 1.75 n equal to 17.50. So n will be equal to 17.50 divided by 1.75. If there is decimal in the division, you have to multiply by how many decimals are there? So before 2 places. So with 1.75, I should multiply with 100. So there should be 2 zeros. So 2 decimal places, 2 zeros. So what will happen? 17 multiply on numerator and denominator. So what happens? It will be 1750 divided by 175. So this decimal gets cancelled. So this is equal to 10. So n is equal to 10. So what it means, in the 10th week, her weekly savings will become 20.75. Okay. I hope you can understand all the problems. So exercise 5.2 is over. So let us meet in the next video. Thank you. Thank you for watching and thank you for your support.